Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to remove blank columns in Excel using formula. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Excel spreadsheet. Now we can see here some data and some blank column. Now we want to remove the column using the formula. At first, select the all data. Click and drag on your mouse. Then press Ctrl G on your keyboard and go to the special menu. Check mark on the blank option. Click OK. Now we can see here automatically selected the blank column. Click right button and click delete option. And we can see here the option is entire column. Now I am select the entire column option. Click OK. Now we can see we remove blank columns in Excel easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.